these two pieces just need to go together. And I don't want to get glue in these little slots right here. That's for the elastic note, whatever, later on. Thing about hot glue is you don't have much time once you put it together. That's good, and that's bad. All right, pretty good. Now this is part of the peg box. Goes like that, like this, and like this. Now I could just put this together and then put some glue in these little corners, but it seems like it works better when I do more than that. That's going to go like that. Can always scrape that off later on. It's going to go like that. Oh, darn it. There's actually on the laser cutter, there's kind of a cosmetic side and a non-cosmetic side. This is the bad side. This is the good side, I think. The side that's down usually has some burn marks that show on it. Sometimes it doesn't matter so much, but I put the nice side up. And I can rub some of this off with my fingers. This goes on like this. Here's how the nut goes, or the bolt goes in. The wing nut goes on backward like this. Just going to screw it on a tiny bit, put it in this notch, and then assemble all this. So as we tighten this up, the wing nut moves backward. While I'm at it, might as well put this piece together. Let's see. And there's no reason, I don't think, that I can't just glue it on here permanently. So I think I'll do that. Let's make this a permanent part of the bolt. Whoops. Got to get it in there. There. That's nice. Okay, now for the bridge. It's another place where we want to not get things in the cracks. So it goes together like this. This is a piece that could use some beefing up. There's some little cracks right there. You can kind of see right here and right here, and I don't want to get hot glue in those because the elastic is going to go in there later on. So I need to be careful about this. I don't really want to get extra glue in here. That's going to cause problems, but I can clean it out if it does. Alright, I see all the surfaces. It's really these 4 surfaces right here. 2 there. And 2 there. We're holding this together. And of course, you can see I've got quite a bit extra. Just need to get rid of that soon. You can use a different kind of glue instead of hot glue, but I like hot glue. Immediate gluing satisfaction. Just trying to, this is the bridge, and I'm actually using the bridge to work that extra glue out of there. Haven't tried this before, but looks like it worked pretty well. One more little bit. There we go. Got the bridge. Peg box, bridge. You know, I guess I could do the pickup while I've got it. The way I've designed this has got a little bit of a curve to it. This is going to sit down in a hole like that, not the other way around. And this just pops right, should pop right in here. So I'll put that in there, push it down, and it goes together. I could put a little hot glue in there just to make sure. Ooh, getting gunk on here, aren't I? My glue gun's a little gunky. And this little star goes on top. But I'm going to use a magnet to position that. These are the magnets I'm using with pickups. And I hope, doesn't seem to want to fit. It wants to fit this way, but not the other way. There's something about the way the 3D printer is working that it seems to taper things. Now I'm curious about this hole. This is a 1/4 inch magnet, and this is supposed to be a 26/100 of an inch hole in there. The pickup had some weak spots. Not really sure what was going on there. I just had to ream it out a little bit more with the drill. And now I can adjust this and put the little star on top. Although something's telling me now I'm gonna have to take this magnet all the way out to do that. It's okay. It can be done. Purpose of the star, totally ornamental. There we go, but kind of nice. So it's not actually going to fit right here, but in a hole very much like that.